morning, everybody. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury. It is early. Oh my gosh, I'm not a morning person. I really struggle, but it's for good cause. It's a good cause. I gotta get to the airport. It's travel day. I gotta get to the airport. It's like 4 a.m. I kind of don't know which end is up. I set all my stuff up so I literally could grab and go. I had like my outfit all laid out. I had everything all packed. I had my breakfast, like made it last night, and I put it in the fridge so I could just heat it up, and now I'm not even hungry. But I prepped, and I'm ready to go. So yeah, it's that time. I gotta get to the airport, and we're gonna head down to Disney World. Let's do it. Okay, I'm here. I made it through security. Gotta get my shoes on. But yeah, made it through security. I'm here. Let me combobulate myself, and we'll go find the gate. Okay, I'm all combobulated, and we're at Terminal A at Newark. Let's go find our gate. Yes, I collected all of my belongings. That was part of combobulation. Does anyone else get really nervous, like, getting to the airport? Like, once I'm here, I'm cool, but like, I am so paranoid about missing a flight. I can't even explain. I'm like, I wasn't hungry when I wake up, and I'm always hungry. Like, I'm like, gotta get there. I'm always here like super early. Okay, let's go find some coffee. So that's a good news, bad news kind of situation. They have a Starbucks. That's the good news. It's a really long line. That's the bad news. Okay, coffee acquired, and we're making our way to the gate. Whew. A lot of people wanted coffee this morning. I was among them. I found the gate, so now I can calm down a minute. I have about 45 minutes until boarding time, so I can just sit relax. One of the cool things about Terminal A is it's brand new, and they put a lot of conveniences like power ports. So there are so many places to charge up at this airport in this terminal. Terminal C's an older terminal, but Terminal A, if you luck out and get Terminal A, you got USB and you got a plug. Look at that, and USB-C. So I made it to my seat, which ironically was the same as the gate number. And yeah, we've got a little USB power charging. So like charging down there, and a view. I'm on my way to see Mickey. I'm excited, y'all. landed. I am in Orlando. Gotta navigate my way out of here. I may have to take the tram. Sometimes when I land, there's like a little tram. Gonna find out. But as soon as I got reception back after landing, I got all these like notifications from Disney. My room is ready already. It's 9:30. Check-in's not till 3 o'clock. It's already ready. So that's awesome. Don't have to stop and like have them hold my bags for me. I could go right to my room. Yes. This has been good. And the flight, super smooth. Super smooth. Off to a good start. Okay, so I do have to take the tram. I recognize where I am, but they have a festive tree up. Look, the holidays are starting. This huge tree in the middle of the concourse. It's got all the lights. It's very bright. I don't know if you could see all the lights, but it is well illuminated. Off to the tram. Let's see. Oh, there's a tram here. Let's see if I can get on or if I have to wait for the next one.
Welcome. You're one of our nearly 7 million visitors. Welcome to the season. Here, imagination from reality is our attraction. Authentic experience found in the heart.
My plan is to take an Uber or a Lyft, and it says ride shares are this way. So that's the way I go. Okay, so I went down to level 1 where ground transit was, but I didn't see rideshare signs, and I was directed to come back up to level 2 for rideshare. So that's where I am. Level 2. I'm here, and it's festive. Look around all the memorabilia. They have very festive, like 60s style garland with the flowers and the peace signs. Oh, exciting. Look, they have a beautiful tree. Look, all the lights. It's got Santas and snowmen. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been to Disney World during the holidays since I was a kid. This is pretty special. Since I know my room number, I'm just going there. It's actually a pretty amazing feature because it's like they tell you your room number in the app, and then you can use the app or your magic band and just unlock your door, so you don't have to stop by the front desk for check-in if you like pre-check in on the app. It's pretty awesome. Nice and time-saving. So I'm in the same section I always end up in, which is over by the 90s, but it's a different building than I'm usually in. So let's go make our way over there. So usually when I come here, this is the building I end up in with the big Rubik's Cube. This is usually the building I call home for a week. Not today. I have to find the building with the laptop. I'm looking for the laptop building. Okay, so we are cutting through the Rubik's Cube building with the big Walkman over here, across from Roger Rabbit over there. There's my building with the big old laptop on the other side of the pool. Oh, it's closed on that side. Gotta go this way because there was a big gate up. Well, look, I can show you the pool. Look at that. Nobody in the pool today. It's a little bit brisk. It's like in the 60s. It honestly feels warmer than that, but people are doing park days and not pool days right now, it seems. I find it kind of amusing, the music that's playing over here by the pool. Let it snow. It's like it's a gorgeous sunny day in Florida, and the song playing is Let It Snow. Here we are, the laptop building. So officially known as the 90s building, but I will just call it the laptop building for reasons that are pretty obvious. Okay, so we gotta go under the laptop to get to the elevator. And I'm on the second floor. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I should be in this next group of rooms right here. Oh, this should be me on the end. We are here. We made it to the room. So let me give you a quick little room tour. So this is the room right when you walk in. And I mean, I put my jacket, I just kind of put it there sloppily, I'm sorry. Yeah, so we have this little cooler. It says it's a beverage cooler, so not a refrigerator, but a cooler. We have a little drawer. Then we got our coffees, we got our teas, we got a little Cuisinart coffee maker. So this is not K-cups, it uses like the little soft pods. Like that. They give you some cups, ice bucket. Ooh, it is a bit warm in here. Okay, it's central, so you just do the thermostat to change the temperature. They do give you a recycling bucket and a garbage bucket. And then we have our drawers. So we have 1, 2, 3 nice sized drawers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on here? There we go. And then, oh, look at this cupboard. Okay, and then we have a safe in this cupboard with a bunch of shelves. Okay, nice, nice. You also have 2 outlets, 2 USB, and then on this side, 2 outlets, 2 USB. There's also outlets down there. So already outlets aplenty. Huge TV. We got some pegs for hanging things up. Got our bed over here. And if you look next to the bed, again, 2 outlets, 2 USB. And then on the other side, so again, 2 outlets, 2 USB, and the phone is over here. And then this is actually an extra bed. So I'll pull this chair. Let me move my coat. Okay, so with one hand, I'm gonna just sort of pull that down. Whoa. And then we have Pluto. We found Pluto sleeping. You have the extra bed here. It's just me, I don't need it, so up it's gonna go. Then over here, this is something new. This wasn't here last time. It's kind of like an Alexa, but for Disney. So it says, try it out. Hey Disney, play Haunted Mansion. Oh, here we go. Haunted Mansion Harmonies.
Woohoo! Good call. Haunted Mansion, here we go. And if you need to close the soundscape, just say, hey Disney, stop.
Well, isn't that something? A new fancy feature. It really is just like an Alexa with Disney. Hey Disney, stop. It doesn't recognize me very well though. Yeah, it doesn't recognize my voice very well. But let me show you the rest of the room. So the bathroom is over here next to the bed. So the bed's right here. Bathroom is here. This slides. So that you could have privacy this way. And then let me get this light. So, hello, how are you? Okay, we have our little cubby of a closet. And then we have 2 more shelves. You have 2 cubbies down there and 2 little cubbies. Then we have some washcloths. You have your hair dryer, iron. Ironing board is right next to it. A few cubbies on high. Mirror, yes. Makeup mirror. Then you have some outlets over here. Little hand soap. And then in here, we have the commode is in here. Got a few more towels. And this room does not have a bathtub. It is just a shower stall. Some rooms have tubs, some do not. I am in a this does not room. And these are the bath amenities. They give you the wall-mounted body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So now that I'm here, I gotta settle in, and then I gotta settle out. I got stuff to do. I'm in Disney. Just remember, this is an atypical trip for me. And what I mean by that is I don't have regular park tickets. I only have tickets to the Mickey's Very Merry Holiday Party, the Christmas party. So I'm gonna go to that. But that is the only time I'm gonna be in the parks. The rest of this trip, I'm gonna be exploring resorts that I don't usually get to go to. I'm gonna be trying restaurants I don't usually get to go to. I'm gonna spend some time at Disney Springs, which I usually feel very rushed doing. And like I said, I'm going to the Christmas party. So with that, I am done for right now. I will see you all very, very soon. And until then, stay inspired. Bye, everyone. Take care.